What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on this TSX right here, and right now we're going to redo some wiring. So I've got some wiring here that I got from the junkyard. So let's get right to it. So right here we got some wires that got taken off in the accident. We also have some SRS wires here that need to be repaired, so we're just going to go ahead and get these repaired, and one less thing to worry about. All right, first thing we're gonna do here is I've got my adhesives. I've slid those onto the harness. I took the tape back so I can get some working room. And we're gonna solder these on, and we're gonna do the same thing on this side until we got all these wires buttoned up. So I accidentally used the wrong size heat shrink. Make sure you have the right size heat shrink for the job. This one is too small. All right, so we soldered all the wires, and now we've got the heat shrink over them. So this heat shrink is lined with adhesive, so we're gonna go ahead and seal this up, then we're gonna wrap it up with some tape, and we should be good to go. Now that we got that all shrinked up, we're gonna go ahead and use this 3M Super 88 to finish off the job. So we can see here we were able to repair this harness. We got this used harness from the junkyard. We were able to solder that in, heat shrink, protect it, wrap it up with some electrical tape. It's looking good. We're able to repair some of these plastic coverings over the wires that were wrapped with tape, need to be redone. And we were able to get this SRS wire also patched in, so the harness is looking good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you see how easy it is to fix any damaged harnesses that you may have on any car or any rebuild or any damage you survived. You can fix this. It's not that difficult. Just get yourself a soldering gun, some solder. It's not difficult at all. Get yourself some wire strippers and get yourself some really good electrical tape. And you see here from the demonstration that it was not very difficult to resplice in those wires. So hope you guys learned something from this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.